नमस्कार. आम्ही सध्या पावल्या बागा कलांगूट परत एकदा आयज आणि सध्या हांव आसा टिटोज लेन आणि हांगासर जी इल्लीगल शॉपां जी आसा ती हांगासर टुरिजम डिपार्टमेंटा तर्फे हांगासर डेमोलिश केल्ल्यो दिसण्याक येता. आयज सेकंड डे ऑफ डेमोलिशन आणि आमी पळयता की तुमी टिटोज लेनान हांगासर डेमोलिशनाक सुरवात केल्ली आसा.
आजच्या डेमोलिशना बद्दल सांगा सर. हे डेमोलिशन एक्झॅक्ट फॉर कितें म्हणून?
So, हातून भितर एकले one person had filed a writ petition in the High Court, okay, regarding unauthorized this thing encroachment on the beach side. So, beaches come under it is the domain of the tourism department. So, I want to give a message to all the people who think they can encroach on the beach side, okay, that they can't do it. And when that happens, then tourism department will come, and what happens behind is it will lead to demolitions.
सो टोटल कितले स्ट्रक्चर्स हायकोर्टान ऑर्डर काडल्या डेमोलिशनाक?
So this is not the order by High Court. This petition, writ petition is ongoing. Okay. The last hearing was held on Monday, that is 4th. Okay, and so in this we have conducted the survey according to the directions of the court. The survey is ongoing. The south of order survey was completed. Okay, and we have identified all the encroachments along with the surveyors deputed by the survey department. Okay, in the tourism department. So we have completed the survey. We have identified the encroachment, and the encroachment are different sizes with different establishments. So accordingly, we are looking at the survey report and we are going ahead with the demolitions. Yesterday we demolished around 6. Okay, and there are another 11 which we are demolishing today. Half of that is completed, and hopefully by evening we will finish with all the 17 structures.
So there was a complainant
Yes.
and he has given the petition in the High Court.
High
So
Court.
High Court has ordered for you all.
Yes.
For Goa Tourism Department.
Yeah, because it
Make
is
a
the
sur-
encroachment on the beach side.
To make a survey.
Yes.
So you all have make a survey.
Yes, yes. We have taken out, and this list 17. Okay, this we have identified which was not challenged. We have demolished.
So the people who has encroached already you all have submitted notice for them.
Yes, already submitted. Full process is completed.
In the month of January,
And
sir.
the High Court is already regularly monitoring this.
So ही नोटीस तुम्ही जानेवारीन दिल्ली.
Yeah.
So तुमची एरिया कितले पडटा फ्रॉम द बीच टू द पॉइंट कितले एरिया पडटा ते डिस्टन्स?
नाही सी बीच जेच्यान सुरू जाता आमी आमचे स्टोन्स न्ही बीचार मार्किंग केल्ले आसा विच आयडेंटिफायज विच इज प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी एंड विच इज बीच प्रॉपर्टी.
Okay.
सो द मोमेंट यू क्रॉस दॅट स्टोन लाईन that part is encroached.
So the line is already
It
marked.
is already there, and this is again this survey which is on. Some people challenge it, saying that it is wrong.
Okay.
But then we have all the survey maps with us.
Maps. So they agree with that now.
Yes, those who didn't challenge, demolition is on.
Demolition is going on. Okay. Thank you sir. This is your good name?
Dheeraj Wagle, Deputy Director.
Deputy Director. Thank you sir.
तुम्ही पळयतात GNH.
वाह, बेटे के आने की खुशी में आज तो किचन महक रहा है.
ये लीजिए पंचामृत गुड़ से बनी हुई खीर का स्वाद लीजिए.
ये तेरे हाथ में क्या है?
पंचामृत नमक. अभी तो आते ही बोलेगा ना कहाँ है मेरे पकोड़े.
आ गया मेरा रिजवान. तुम्हारे पसंदीदा पूरी और छोले.
और ये लो तुम्हारे पकोड़े.
मेरी तरफ से बिरयानी. ये तुम्हारी फेवरेट खीर.
स्वाद का कोई धर्म नहीं होता. पंचामृत, भारत की पहचान. घर घर में पंचामृत.